Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Wellfound account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and search for Wellfound. Simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Now on the top right hand, there is going to be two buttons, login and sign up. All you need to do is click on one of those. So if you have an account, click on login, but we're creating an account, so just click on sign up, and you can simply see if you're looking for a job or looking for candidates. So let's just click on any of those and simply go ahead and enter your name, your email, your password, and click on sign up. Or you could just click on sign up with Google and you'll have an account ready. So that is about it. Let me just go ahead and do it so I can show it to you. Now as you can see, it's just going to go ahead and ask you for your full name, so simply go ahead and do that. And on password, you can simply go ahead and use a strong password, or you could choose your own. So simply go ahead and do that and click on sign up, and that is about it. Once you go ahead and do that, your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.